Well, firefighters have to deal with many obstacles on a daily basis. One thing which many of us probably don't even think of is the loud noises on the scene of a fire and how they can damage their hearing. Toledo Fire and Rescue is taking steps to help protect their own. Photojournalist Joe Cromer has the story.
Well, a fire scene is a very dynamic scene. You have a lot of things happening simultaneously. You have noise from our apparatus that are pumping or from our ladder trucks. You have just the general noise of commands coming through the radio.
You want gas shut off in your buildings?
You can also have noise from a ventilation fan.
It creates challenges. It's so loud. It really hinders our ability to communicate. So some things, those are some of the challenges that we have to overcome, but those fans are very important for what we do as far as removing heat and smoke. So it's just something that we have to work around. We're very aware of, the time that we need them. We don't just let them run. We really make sure that they're running for a purpose. And when we feel that they're not needed anymore, we shut them down right away to limit our exposure to the noise.
Well, this is a headset that our firefighters wear inside the apparatus. It helps shield them from extraneous noise, but also allows a clear opportunity to hear radio traffic, to communicate with each other, with the officer, or with our fire dispatch for different radio traffic.
There's information out there where firefighters have had loss of hearing throughout their careers. It's definitely an issue that is very aware throughout the fire service as a whole across the country, across the United States. As safety officers, it's something that we really are aware of. Anything dealing with health, wellness, we really don't realize what's going on because we're so focused on our task at hand. We have so many different jobs going on at one time to mitigate a structure fire situation that we're really all working together, that those things are expected, but it's what we do, so it's really just kind of like background noise, so to speak, for us.
Our thanks to Joe Cromer. We're told that limiting firefighters' exposure to the direct loud sounds will help preserve their hearing in the long run. And we've been to fire scenes before, right. Even for a short period of time that we're there, it really is loud. So you can imagine they're there one after another.
And it's really not anything I thought of as far as the long-term effects, right. But it's something they're aware of and they're taking steps to prevent.
Right. Joe really showing us how many different sounds there are that they have to deal with.